Hello everyone, next take a paper like this and fold it from the sides. Fold it and make a heart over it like this and then cut it out carefully. After cutting it out, remove the excess from the sides, open it and your snowflake is ready. Next, take a paper and fold it like this from the sides. Again fold it and then draw the lines on it. Now cut it as shown in the video. Cut it very carefully. Now open it and your star shape paper cutting is ready. First, we have to fold the paper like this. Now draw the curvy lines. Cut it very carefully and it's ready. You can decorate it as per your choice. Fold it from the sides and it's done. Next, take a paper like this and then fold it from the sides. Now we will draw the semicircular lines over it. Cut it out and it's ready. Next, take a paper and fold it from all the sides like this. Now again fold it from the between. Draw the line over it and cut it from the between and the sides and it's ready. Next, take a paper and fold it again in the same manner. Now draw the star shape lines over it and a semicircle and a heart shape. Now cut it out and then open it and your paper cutting is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, again fold the paper like this and then cut it out like this. First, draw the lines over it and draw a star. Now make a heart shape, cut it out and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, fold the paper from the sides. Now fold it again from the bottom. Now draw the lines over it and then draw the patterns in the same manner as shown and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.